Welcome to Monkey's Talk and Unlock. The treasure chest is locked, and only you can help open it. You'll need your workbook cipher to unlock the secret message. Here's how it works. Every time you see a golden key, a number will appear. Write down the number. Then use your cipher in the front of your workbook to find the letter. At the end, you'll have a secret sentence to unlock the chest.
What are you doing? To answer, we using am or is or are plus a verb plus ing. Let's learn action words. What are the monkeys doing? He's playing soccer. She's cooking dinner. She's reading a book. He's swimming. She's drawing a picture. They're dancing. Playing, cooking, reading, swimming, drawing, dancing. Great job.